Good morning, children. In the first unit, next subtopics what you are going to learn is first effect of spoiled food. If you have taken the spoiled food, what are the problems you are going to face? Okay. So spoiled foods are not suitable to eat. First, you are not at all like to eat, and it will be not good condition to eat. They may not be fresh and the tasty. So the flavor and the taste of the food substance will be changed, and also if you are taken means it will be very harmful to eat. Harmful means what, children? It will be cause the dangerous. Why means the microorganism present in the food items cause various problem for us. What are the problem means it cause the certain foodborne diseases, that is the diseases which are spread through the spoiled food items you are taken, like stomach pain, fever, dysentery, vomiting, and then indigestion. So these are the effects is caused due to the spoiled food items we are taking. Okay. The next subtopics we are going to learn preservation of food. Okay. So how we are going to preserve the food substance, why you want to preserve the food substance, like that various information we are going to learn in this heading. Clear, children? So what is the preservation? First you come and learn it up. It is one of the process. Okay. So what you are doing in this process? Keeping the food material for long time without being spoiled. That process only you are called it as what? Preservation of the food. Okay. So you are store it and keeping in the correct manner without spoiled is called it as the food preservation of the food substances. Okay. And also food will be spoiled. It is not prepared. Okay. Various reason is that spoilage of the food occurs. What are the way means, first one, you are not prepared in the correct way, are not preserved in the correct way, are not handled in the right way. That means when you are using, you are not handled in the right way. So these are the way is responsible for spoilage of the food items. Okay. So there are many methods used to prevent, okay, or delay and reduce the spoilage of the food. So prevent means spoil ஆகாமல் இருக்கிறது. Delay means it will be spoil in the late, or totally you are avoiding, reducing, ஓகேவா, spoilage of the food. What are the methods you are going to learn? So in the preservation of food itself, what is the first subheading you are going to learn? Food preservation method. Okay. So cultivation of food requires lot of efforts nowadays. Food cultivation and the crop yield are decreasing. Cultivation means what? The growing of the crops. Okay. Definitely the farmers will be taking the more efforts, children. So nowadays if you are seeing means the agriculture, okay, agriculture only not to like some of the people. Why it will be decreased and coming? Because lot of the problems they will be facing. Okay. So there are many people suffering in the world without food. Okay. So agriculture is there only, the people with the help of that one we can get the food. Many people nowadays suffering means what? They will be facing the problems. Without food they will be what? So much of the problem they will be facing. So to avoid these are the problems, definitely you want to preserve the food substances. Okay. So what are the method you are using to preserve the food substances? We are going to learn one by one. The first method is drying. Drying means what? This process was happening with the help of the sunlight. Okay. So what they given drying means, it is the process of removal of water. Okay. For example, vegetables you are made to fall on the sunlight means what will be happening? From that into the water content will be removed. No, that is called it as what? Drying. So what are the food substances preserved with the help of the drying, children? Grains. Grains means you are known, rye, paddy, ragi, wheat, etc. Next, addition of salt. Certain food items will be preserved by adding the salt with the food substance. What are that means? Fish and then pickles. Okay. Next, addition of sugar. Certain substances, you are mixing with the sugar means we can preserve the food substance. How means the sugar will be removed water content from the food substances. For example, jam, fruit juices. Okay.